how to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to support.rockstargames.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Now we have to contact the customer care. So after we come here, just look for the option called Social Club, because Social Club is our Rockstar account. We'll just select that. After we do that, select the option over here known as Social Club account and make sure to select that again. After you do that, here you'll find the option called account linking, so make sure to just select account linking. As you select the account linking option, over here you simply want to make sure to enter your Social Club nickname for your PC. After that, in the description box you simply want to let them know that you would like to unlink your Epic Games account, and to be precise, just give them the Epic Games email address of your account. Once you give them the email address or the ID of your Epic Games account, they will be able to unlink the account for you, but for that you have to submit a web ticket, and then they will generally reply to you within 24 hours. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.